So to some of the stocks, uh, kauna-unahan yung PSCI. Okay, thanks for the confirmation from my aunt in US. So, thank you. So, lalarga na tayo. So, pwede na. So, kanina naka-mute pala yung ano ko, yung mic sa PC ko. So, ngayon okay na. So, I hope that yung audio ko dito is loud and clear. Okay, tuloy na natin. Okay, so, yan na muna natin. Rewind. Kumbaga kasi sayang naman yung kanina na ano ko sinabi pero wala palang audio. Anyway, so, ito yung status ng PSEI, guys. So, this is the 1-year chart. Ito yung high ng 1 year. Ito yung low ng 1 year. So, ito yung index ng Philippine market. So, nakikita nyo ngayon na nasa 50% of the range tayo. So 50-50. So, meaning that pwedeng umangat at mapunta dito yung price or pwedeng bumagsak. So, pero sa nakikita ko ngayon ay yung market natin ay nag-decide na gusto niyang umangat. So, paano ko nasabi yun? So, parang yung meme na paano mo nasabi? Yeah. So, ito yun guys. So, sa technical analysis, pwede tayo mag-drawing dito ng mga triangles. So, itong mga triangles na yan ay it means mga continuation patterns yan. At every time nagbe-break out yung isang price sa triangle or isang pattern, it means that the price wants to move higher. Okay? So, yun. But nakikita niyo pa rin dito, mayroon tayong EMA 200 resistance. It might still be a kind of hindrance para tumaas yung price. So medyo baka mag-consolidate muna yan. Kapag nag-breakout yan yung price, ito naman yung susunod na target. Okay? At kung ito yung sunod na target, as you can see, above na tayo sa EMA 200. At kung nag-aral kayo ng technical analysis, kapag above na sa EMA 200, itong brown na yan, yung price natin, meaning we are heading for a bullish market. So matagal na tayong bearish kasi since nagkaroon ng COVID, nag-drop talaga yung market sa Pilipinas and actually the whole world. Pero yun nga lang, after the COVID, yung Philippine market, hindi siya naka-recover agad-agad. Hindi kagaya ng US market na mga 3 months lang ay nakabawi agad. Or mga 3 or 4 months. So, ito pinapakita ko sa inyo yung SPY. So, medyo nahirapan yung Philippine market na bumawi after the COVID crash. Alright, so saan tayo? Okay. Remove muna natin yung mga drawings. So ito yun, yung crash due to COVID. So ito yung US market. So this one is related sa ngayon binabati ko yung aunt ko nakikinig ngayon all the way from Orlando, Florida. So hi sa inyo dyan. I hope that everything is fine dyan sa Orlando at hindi na siya ganun ka-strict. Okay, so back to the chart. Ito yung crash due to COVID-19. And as you can see, naglampas na nga tayo sa sa all-time high. So umangat pa nga yung price above the all-time high. So ito yung all-time high. Umangat tayo, then umangat pa. So pero ngayon medyo nag-aalangan na. So I think this is due to the COVID-19 upcoming election. So itong pattern na yan, potentially yan, pwedeng mag-drop yung index sa US papunta sa 320. Pero after the can also happen that, by the way, it can break out 350 above and make another all-time high. But I think mangyayari yan after the election na. Kasi ngayon medyo nagkakaroon pa ng uncertainties due to upcoming elections sa US. But mga 3 weeks na lang, di ba? So, at mag-election na. So, bantay-bantay muna tayo. So, back to the PSEI. So, as you can see, after the COVID crash, hindi pa nakabawi, hindi siya lumampas sa kanyang high of the year, unlike the US market. So, medyo mahina nga yung Philippine market. So, what does it mean? So, ano ngayon? So, it means that kung gumaganda na ngayon yung PSEI, it means na karamihan na ngayon sa Philippine market, mga stocks sa Pilipinas ay aangat. Kasi yung PSEI is the index and it's composed of several big companies sa Philippines, di ba? So, ngayon sa right side, makikita nyo yung mga na-filter ko na. So, mayroon akong special screener na ini-screen ko yung mga malalakas na stocks. Kung malakas yung market, ma-screen ko yung mga stocks na malakas din. Kasi pag malakas yung index, so meaning maganda mag-trade sa bullish move or the upward move. So, ito, in-screen ko yung malakas. At nakikita nyo, number 1 is GFC, Jollibee. So, I know that yung aunt ko nakikinig ngayon ay meron siyang Jollibee stock. At yun nga, Jollibee went up. So, I think nabili niya yung Jollibee somewhere here, if I'm not mistaken, 130 to 135. So, medyo nag-consolidate muna sideways for a very long time, mga 3 months. At yun, finally, nagmamaterialize na yung ating projection na umangat si Jollibee. I'm pretty sure that aangat at aangat ito. At ngayon nga, at nagpapakita na siya ng sign of progress. So, this is the 1-year chart of Jollibee. Ito yung high, ito yung low. So, nasa na tayo ngayon? Nasa 50%. So, marami pang upsides. So, kung aangat to, so malaki pa yung trading space natin. So, mataas pa yung potential. But of course, I'm not advising you to buy at the current price. So, yung gagawin natin, magantay muna. Kasi baka mag-pullback muna yan. So, ano ba yung pullback na allowable? So, pag ako nagtitrade, ito yung pullback na inaasahan ko. I mean, yung entries na kinukuha ko, yung 50 to 60% pullback. Kapag yung pullback mas malakas pa or bumaba pa below this pullback to this level, then aasahan ko yung pullback nasa area na yan na kung saan nag-breakout yung price. At of course, if you are still bullish, then you should see that price is bouncing above this area. So, wala pa tayo ngayon dyan. We are just projecting. So, you will see what will happen next kung aangat pa ba. But, I am not advising you to buy right now. So, yung buying stocks like GFC, it should be done during the time of consolidation. Kasi blue chips ito. Hindi ito yung tipo ng stock na kagaya ng APX na in just one day, aangat ng more than 30% or 40%. So, we should be very somehow generous in entering when to enter such kind of stocks. So, antayin yung pullback, then bounce at bibili ka. Okay? So, next yung PNB. Yun. So, may buy signal na rin si PNB. A break out of this red area is a buy. So, ganun din. Hindi agad bibili. So, kung mag-pullback man, basta mag-bounce area na yan, buy signal yan. Alright? Or magkaroon ng doji. So, kung doji man yung mag-appear dyan, so, ang method ng pagbili ko, yung buy signal natin is a break above the 27. So, yung stop loss mo, lagay mo dito. Stop loss means that dapat exit ka na sa position mo kapag bumaba yung price below this 23.5. Usually, nasa below EMA 21 yan. So, ito yung white na yan, yung EMA 21. Okay guys, so, by the way, itong mga list ng stocks na pinapakita ko sa inyo ngayon, ay yung mga stocks na nire-recommend ko sa aking Trading Edge weekly stock updates na pinopost ko every week, guys. So ina-analyze ko yan every weekend and pinopost ko during Saturdays or Sundays, depende kung ano yung free time ko, kung ano yung available na ako. Then basta every weekend pinopost ko yan. So eto nga, at papakita ko sa inyo yung isang if you are following my Facebook page, ito yung isang isinare ko kanina na isang subscriber ng aking group, na kung saan ay sa isang araw lang ay kumita siya ng 42% because of my recommendation on APX. So balikan natin yung APX. Yung APX, isang araw lang nag-spike up yan ng almost 50%. So kung baga nag-invest ka ng 100k, the next day yung pera mo naging 150k. So that's what it means. So ito yun, dito yun. So nirecommend ko yung APX somewhere here, October 8. So at the price 1.47. So dito. So then hold 1 week, nag-spike up, pull back, nag-hold above that, then boom, pumalo ng 2.3. So tingnan nyo yung isa kong pinost dito. So ayan. So by the way, sir, super duper thank you sa APX Reco. I sold at 2.3 with 42% gain. Nakita ko na siya sa 1 hour chart, then kinagabihan pinost mo po. So ayun, nag-push ako. Haha. So ano ba yung ibig sabihin nito? That nagkaroon muna siya ng own analysis, then sa mismong araw na yan, nakita niya yung pinost ko sa group, sa Trading Edge Weekly Stock Updates, then nagkaroon siya ng, so nag-post ako ng APX recommendation sa group ko. So just to show to you kung ano yung itsura ng ano ko. So basically, later on, sooner or later, ay yung mga updates ko ay post ko via Gmail. So isi-send out ko na siya via email. So sa ngayon ay Facebook group yung ginagamit ko. But due to some changes that I'm making, at para na rin sa mas mabilis na pag-update at medyo mas personalized, ay email yung gagamit ko sunod. At pinopost ko siya actually sa isang table via Google Sheet. So ito yun. So ito yung post ko last week. So kahapon nag-update ako. And so sinisend ko via email yung Google Sheet link. At pag i-click nyo yan, makikita nyo yung table. So mga stocks, ano yung buy signal niya, ano, nire-rating ko rin siya kung A plus or A or B. So pag A plus, yan yung the best na na stock na nire-recommend ko. So mayroon din siyang chart at ano yung stop loss, ano yung mga targets. Okay? So kung interested kayo mag-subscribe, guys, ay mangyari lang ay mag-send lang kayo ng message via chat and sa Facebook ko or email me using the email. Gusto nyong i-contact ako via email, then contact me at this email, signals.tradingedge@gmail.com. So ito yung email ko. Okay? So also, if you want to learn from me via online sessions, via online tutorial, one-on-one, via Zoom, pwede rin tayong mag-book ng session kung gusto mong matuto ng fundamental analysis or technical analysis in Philippine market or global market, US market, options market, or Forex market, crypto, name it. Just contact me via this email or directly send me a chat message via Facebook. Alright? So, ayun guys. Ngayon, balik na tayo sa ating charting. So, Marami ng mga stocks ngayon ang talagang nagba-bounce. So, at nakita naman ninyo kanina yung index ng Philippine market na talagang it's already showing bullishness or pag-angat ng price or heading up. So, bullishness. So, ano pa yung mga iba pang stock na nakikita natin na may buy signal? Ito yung green. Actually, isa yan sa mga stocks na mayroon ako sa aking Investacap portfolio. Nagkaroon siya nag-all-time high breakout with above average volume. So, that's a very good breakout. Nagkaroon muna ng consolidation breakout. So, potentially, it can move higher. And this is my target, 3.5. So, 5-year chart. Ito yung high ng 5-year. Ito yung low. Breakout sa 60% bounce. So, ito yung bounce na yan. So, pag i-measure mo yung low at high ng 5 years, ito yung 60% bounce or retracement. Nag-breakout na tayo dyan. Meaning to say, price wants to move to 3.5. Okay? So, bullish tayo kay green. Ngayon, pag mali tayo, ito yung stop loss mo. Okay? So, wag mong sabihin sa akin na finalo mo yung recommendation ko, pero naipit ka. So, this is the stop loss, 2.3. If the price goes below that price, you should be out. Okay? Pag nanatili ka sa position na yan, it's not my fault anymore. 2.3 is the stop loss. Okay. So, AGI is also buy signal. As you can see, breakout, pullback, and trend. So there are only 3 kinds of move that the stock will do. So if you have a box here, so there are 3 kinds of moves. So ito, lesson 101 that the stock can do. So first is breakout, pullback, and trend higher. The next one is breakout, pullback, and false breakout. So instead na aangat siya, bumalik lang. So that is the false breakout. The third scenario is breakout, pullback, and then market goes sideways. So yan lang ang tatlo. So ito yung ginagawa ni AGI ngayon is breakout, pullback, and trend. So but of course, meron tayong resistance dito sa EMA 200. If we break above that, we have a high upside. So, tingnan natin yung 1 year ni AGI. AGI, okay. So, AGI, you can see this high ng 1 year. We have here the low of the year. So, we are basically at the 30% range from the low. So, we have here resistance. So, tamang-tama lang. Kapag nag-break tayo pag nag-break yung price above EMA 200, we have a lot of upsides. So, we will fill this gap also sa EMA 200. We'll be filling the gap. So, a break out of that. We have this target. Measure from the low to the high. We have here the 60% retracement is also a target. So, target 1, target 2. Right? So, klaro. So, napakaganda ng base ni AGI. Kasi we have here this low, retest. So, we have a multiple bottom. And now, we are consolidating just at the key resistance level. So, ayan. So, further move is confirming the bullish move. So, medyo yung volume natin medyo nagalangan pa. I think nag-accumulate pa lang, nag-uumpisa pa lang. Kasi yung mga volume dito matataas. Diba? So, ito. So, ito medyo, this is the first time na nag-above average after September, ito pala. September 9 last month. Ito rin. August. So, let's say hedge fund yung nag-accumulate dito. Accumulate. So, it's like every month may accumulation nangyayari. And then October accumulation. So possibly you will really be heading higher here. Okay, so AGI ha. So home naman, home na trigger kahapon yung ano, buy signal. So 6.24 breakout. So stop loss 5.75. Mag-pullback, kung mag-pullback man basta above sa 6, ayos pa yan. So this is already a bullish signal. This is your target, of course. EMA 200 should be your target as well. So targets are more than 2R, so 2 times the risk. 2R, around 3R here. So quite nice for home. So pwede tayo mag-accumulate dyan. LTG, di ko ina-advise na mag-buy ngayon kasi angat na overextended. I'm suggesting you to buy at the pullback. Kailangan mag-bounce dito yung price bago mag-buy. So ABA naman, multiple bottoms, triangle, malaking triangle at breakout. So pero yung breakout niya nag-aalangan, wala pang ano, medyo nag-alangan yung breakout, pero nakita nyo yung volume spike dito napakataas. So kapag nag-hold yung price above this area, malamang we will be seeing rally. So stop loss ababa 0.4560. Ito rin may buy signal kahapon. So consolidation, then breakout, volume spike. So that is also buy. So EMA 200 as a target profit. Pero kung medyo mid-term to long-term kayo, so mataas pa yung upside nito. Kapag nag-break tayo kapag nag-break yung price sa EMA 200, kasi ito napaka-significant na resistance yan. So measure the 50% or 60% bounce. Ito yung next target. So pag nag-break dyan sa mga Fibonacci resistances, then this will be your next target. So madali lang, no? So all you need to do is really to see the pattern and find out where to enter. EEI. So EEI, trigger na siya dito. Ito yung sinasabi ko na kapag natamaan yung EMA 200, malamang mag-consolidate muna. Ito yung kanina na pinakita ko, breakout, pullback, and trend. So first scenario, so trending but it's already extended, so wait for a pullback. DD rin, it's quite nice here. Very tight consolidation, but wala pa tayong confirmed buy. So consolidate, nandito pa sa loob yung candle. So I think we need to see DD closing candle above 14.65, above this EMA 50. Kasi nakita nyo naman na previously nung tamaan yung EMA 50, lang sell off. So gusto ko makita si DD na mag-close above EMA 50 yung price before I consider yung buying. So of course, always set stop below the consolidation. So again, you need to execute your plan. If the stop loss is hit, you need to be out. So napakarami pa guys dito. So napakarami. So hindi ko na isa-isahin pa kasi kunuha ko lang talaga yung mga top performers na may buy signal. Ito nga pala si FLI. I've actually posted it in my Facebook page. I have a buy recommendation for FLI. So if you want to be entering at a breakout, mas maganda yan kasi confirmed na na buy signal yan. But this one, I will be starting to accumulate. Set your stop around 0.9. Okay, so napakaganda ng pattern ni FLI, Feel Invest. So maganda yung company na yan. So kita nyo, multiple bottoms, Parang ganun din nakita natin kanina nung stock yun, AGI ba yun or home. So these are multiple bottoms. So low, yung low niya is higher low, then eventually price can hit this area, which is in confluence to the EMA 200. And if breakout and breakout pullback and trend, mataas yung ating upsides kay FLI kapag yung price ay mag-break out and hold above EMA 200. So, again guys, if you are interested to join Trading Edge Weekly Stock Update, mangyari ay message nyo lang ako via chat or via email. Email me at signals.tradingedge.gmail.com. Okay? So, again guys, God bless sa inyong lahat and good luck.